Hey guys, it's Brian from Motorsports. Today we have a BMW 335 in the shop. It does not go into any gears, including reverse. So it basically is stuck in neutral. So we're gonna pull the trans, take apart the trans, and see what's wrong inside of it.
You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, so delusional. In the notion of all this emotional. Let's be sure, I'll be there when you're looking for something.
So when I take out a trans, usually I disconnect all the O2 sensors because usually they are hooked up to the transmission. Take out the exhaust, take off underbody shields, so I can get to the drive shaft and then disconnect the drive shaft obviously from the transmission. Once that is done, undo the mounts and the transmission will lower down, and then I can get you all the bolts for the transmission, unbolt it, unbolt the starter, and it will drop. I don't have to unbolt a torque converter because it is a manual.
You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, so delusional. In the notion of all this emotional. Best be sure, I'll be there when you're looking for something You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, so delusional. In the notion of all this emotional. Best be sure, I'll be there when you're looking for something.
So upon taking So upon taking out the transmission, we're looking for a bent fork or maybe air in the slave cylinder or just a really worn out clutch, and that's why it just wasn't engaging. But it turns out after taking out the clutch that there's actually the springs inside the clutch disc are broken, and we believe that is why it is not shifting correctly. So we are going to order a new clutch for it, reinstall it all, and see if it all works. If not, we can go further in diagnosis, but we believe that is the problem. So this is the clutch disc. As you guys can see, the springs are loose in there. There's a broken piece right there. You might not be able to see it, but this piece is also broken. It goes behind the spring. This was just laying in the transmission. And then as you can see, this is very worn. It's almost to the rivets of the clutch disc. So we have all the new parts in. We have a new clutch disc, new clutch cover, new throwout bearings, clutch fork. We also have the new gaskets for the exhaust. And then we can throw this thing back together now.
You're a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball.
the 335 has a transmission now in it. It does work. We tested it on the lift. And that will really do it for this car. Now it goes into every single gear, unlike last time where it was just kind of stuck in neutral. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you are interested in our channel and want to see more videos. Hit the subscribe button to see more in the future, and I'll see you guys next time.